Hello there. Today I'd like to talk about two ways of bleaching human hair extensions. Bleach cream and bleach bath. Bleach cream is a classic way that we apply bleach cream directly onto human hair extensions and then fold the hair into aluminium foil and then hold it there for about an hour. Mostly bleach cream is used at home and beauty salons. And the bleach bath is an industrial way of bleaching human hairs. Mostly, bleach bath is used to bleach large amounts of hair extensions, hair wigs, hair closures, and the container with a chemical solution. And it's mostly used in hair factories and in some beauty salons. Well, as of my experience, I find bleach baths is a very effective way for bleaching human hairs, including wigs and closures and etc. in any amounts. It is much cheaper, it is much faster, and obviously you get very high quality bleached hair. Bleach bath results are great. If you're interested in our bleach bath technology, please feel free to sign up for our online courses. And thank you so much for your attention. Bye.